Enjoy carefree and low-maintenance living in a beautiful countryside setting west/the convenience of Suffolk's business center, Obici Hospital, grocery stores, shops, and dining within minutes. The Vineyards at Hallstead Reserve, a one-story, 55-plus condominium community designed west/your lifestyle in mind. The Veneto features 9 to 10 feet ceilings throughout the dining and great room. An open concept allows plenty of natural light. The gourmet kitchen features a center island west/great counter and cabinet space. An elegant primary bedroom boasts a large walk-in closet, primary bathroom west/full ceramic shower, bench and private water closet. Private courtyard access from either the primary bedroom or kitchen. Featuring a secondary first-floor bedroom and sunroom. A finished room west/full bathroom above an attached 2-car garage. Clubhouse, workout room, pool, pickleball and dog park. Ask about buyer incentives. 1% closing cost assistance west/team leader/attorney. Built by Napolitano Homes, Est. 1977.